Hey everyone, thanks for joining us today out here in Sebring. We're standing at one of our recent pool restoration projects, and we wanted to take a moment to walk you through some of the steps we use to bring the space back to life. From the cleaning and prep work to repairing problem areas, our goal is always to make your pool area look great while staying within your budget. While we're here, we'd also love to hear about your own experiences with your pool or the hardscaping around it. Have you noticed any issues like pavers starting to sink, water pooling where it shouldn't, or tiles loosening or falling off? Those small signs usually point to drainage problems or settling that can get worse over time. If you're dealing with anything like that, or even if you're just thinking about upgrading your outdoor space, we're always here to help. We handle everything from repairs and re-leveling to full restorations and new installs, and we'd be happy to take a look and give you some options. Thanks for watching, and let's get into the project.